Got a problem here. Showing basically if you look on that, there would be a dead battery. This thing doesn't work. I don't know if you can even see it in the video here. It's pretty corroded. I don't know what happened to this thing. This is mine. So I have to try to somehow clean this up. But if you look on the battery here, that battery is corroded there, so that one's corroded. Might be lost cause. This side looks good. If I hit the button here, that one's showing fully charged. That's what these LEDs are. And it's showing dead. The outwardmost on the negative side is the ground for the whole battery. The outwardmost on the left is the positive, and then you skip one and then go to that middle one, and then that's another positive. I tested the other battery I have, and it's a little over 20 volts. This one is the same. It's showing 20 volts. If I go between this terminal here and that terminal, I have 157 ohms. It's exactly the same on all of my batteries. When I plug this in, it's a little tricky. It's a little tricky without the case. You see, it's showing that it's fully charged, but it's not registering from this. It's pretty nasty looking. There is 2 screws, but it looks like it's soldered there, and I kind of don't want to pull it up. I might use a nylon brush and try to scrub it down and spray some electronics cleaner on it, and then hit it with some deoxit and see what happens. I don't really feel like buying another one of these batteries. I used that because I couldn't find my electrical cleaner. It worked fine. Got as clean as I could. I didn't want to get too aggressive. There's still a little bit there. I might actually use like a wire brush on those just to get rid of that. Maybe I'll do that real quick. 1 second. I got a little bit better inside there. The nylon brush just couldn't really get it. Before I put it back together, I want to see if there is any change. Ha! It's red. Okay. Sweet. Okay, I'm actually really surprised that all I did was clean it up. So hopefully I saved it. We got a little action there. I wonder if it's still fully charged. It works. It wasn't working. I put it on the charger and it said it was fully charged. And now that's showing fully charged. I'm still going to put it on the charger though. I'm going to spray it down with some deoxit first. Wonder if I should just start taking my batteries apart for preventive maintenance and just doing that. It's a pretty harsh environment. Sometimes a brake clean gets in there by accident, you know, because I'm careless where I place my tools while I'm cleaning stuff. I could have used this to clean it, but this stuff is very expensive. It's like $14 for this little tiny can. Cleaned up with a final scrub of deoxit. Stuff works awesome. I'm probably going to put a little dab of dielectric grease around these ones here, just maybe hopefully slow the corrosion down. I don't know if that's a battery leaking or whatever. Put a little bit on it just for a little insurance. The deoxit itself is kind of a protectant as well. So if you have a problem with your battery, don't be afraid to take it apart and take a look inside. All I did was clean it. Do this first before tossing it in the trash or buying another one. It's all back together. Stick this guy in there. It is charging.